Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today's video, we are gonna be trying out for the first time Huda Beauty makeup. It's gonna be a full face, almost a full face, because I didn't grab a lot of stuff. I did purchase stuff from the Black Friday deal that they had it there 80% off. I went like a little bit crazy, but not a lot. It's gonna be a 65% of Huda Beauty. You can say I grabbed a lot, but it wasn't a lot. As you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows. I did not use any other Huda Beauty or any new product from the eyebrows. I used the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in Grenade, which I love. That's why I did my eyebrows first, because I just take so long to do my eyebrows that I had to get it out of the way. So before we get started doing this full face of makeup, I'm gonna moisturize my lips using the Milani Keep It Smooth Lip Treatment. Gotta keep these lips moisturized. Now we can get started. Let's moisturize my face because I haven't moisturized my face. I'm gonna be using this Wishful Honey Bun Jelly Moisturizer that is from Huda Beauty. So you have to moisturize your face first before applying anything else. So this is how it looks like. It smells like soap. So this is how it looks like on the finger. A white yellowish color. It doesn't feel jelly, so I don't know why it's face jelly, because it doesn't feel jelly at all. It feels so smoothly on the skin, but it have a strong smell, like a strong smell. The smell is so strong. I hope the smell goes away. It doesn't smell bad. It's not like a bad smell. So now that my face is all moisturized, I'm gonna go right into primer. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Hydrating Primer, which I heard so many good things with people with dry skin. And I like that it comes with the pump. You just basically control the amount of product that you guys want. It is really watery, like super watery. Apply just a little bit more on my forehead, and the finish is tacky, but it's not that tacky. It's not like I cannot move my face, my hands. So now we are gonna be moving on with the eyes. I'm gonna first start off with the eyes before I finish off with the face, because I don't know if the palette that I'm gonna be using, it has follows. I bought two other Huda Beauty palettes. I got the palette Desert Dust palette, and I also got the palette Rose Gold palette Remastered. I think the one that I'm gonna be using today, I'm gonna use the Rose Gold. This is how the palette looks like. I know that she's from Dubai. I think she is, or she lives in Dubai, and her company is in Dubai, which is one of the countries that I really want to go to. I really want to meet Dubai. I'm really impressed with the palette. I like the front cover of the palette. I like the roses next to her, and then this is how it looks on the end. Ooh. It looks nice. Oh my god, look at the plastic. This is a really nice plastic, and I'm someone that doesn't like to keep the plastic, but for today I'm not gonna keep the plastic. It comes with a mirror, so that's really nice to travel with. It kind of looks like they put their fingers on the shimmer eyeshadows, but they didn't. It's very new. Before I do that, let's apply the concealer. For today's concealer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Gonna do the wing line. Gonna use the Ebates Beauty eyeliner stamp that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave it alone. I know that it's not the perfect wing line. So I'm gonna curl my lashes before applying my mascara. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, which is the Holy Grail mascara on YouTube, and it's my first time using it. And then I'm gonna apply false lashes. Gonna use my Holy Grail lashes that I've been liking. So far, this has been my favorite lashes that I've been wearing and I've been liking a lot. That is from the Zilk lashes that I got from Amazon. Wish I had to buy me another one because I'm almost running out of it. But these are the lashes that I've been liking. They are really nice lashes. They don't feel uncomfortable. They feel really comfortable. Okay, so the eyes are complete. This is like the type of look that I go for. Gonna apply the moisturizer. This scent is strong, but the scent doesn't stay there all day. Just stay there for just a little bit and then it will go away. When you apply it and it dries out real quick, the smell goes whoosh. Then I'm taking the primer. So I'm gonna move on with foundation. I actually got two foundation from Huda Beauty. These are the Huda Beauty Luminous Matte Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. I got two shades because I really didn't know which shade was me. The two shades that I grabbed was Dulce de Leche and Churro. So one of those two shades, hopefully it matches very well. If not, maybe I had to miss it. So it looks like I like the bottle. And this one that I'm holding is Dulce de Leche. It looks like it's gonna be my same skin color, and Churro looks like this. Churro looks like it's gonna be a little bit too dark, but we are gonna be finding out. Or maybe I had to mix them both together. We should see. So I'm gonna apply, ooh, and it comes with a pump. So this one is Dulce de Leche. So this one is Dulce de Leche. It looks like it's gonna be my shade. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize, and this feels really matte, you guys. And then this next one is Churro. Is it me or does it look like it's kind of oxidizing? She looks too orange for me. And Dulce de Leche, it looks like it is my shade. Let's see how does it look when I mix them together. And the consistency is a thick consistency. And this is how they look when you mix them together. Yeah, I think Churro is the one. Not Churro, sorry, Dulce de Leche. So Dulce de Leche is my perfect shade. So I also grabbed some brushes from Huda Beauty, which are these brushes, 5 brushes from Huda Beauty. Which this one I didn't get it from Huda Beauty website. I actually got it from Eco Tools website because they don't have it no more. I was really looking for this brush. This is the Buff and Blend brush. As well, I grabbed the Scope Shade brush. This one is the Build and Buff, as well with the Bake and Blend, and then this rose gold shade here that is called the Skin Perfector brush. I don't know which one I want to wear to blend this foundation because I love how this is a round brush, and this one for foundation is a flat brush. This one as well is good for foundation, that dual brush, but that one I'm gonna use it for something else. I think I'm gonna go with the rose gold. I love how this brush looks. It's a rose gold color. It says Huda Beauty, and then it says the face, the Skin Perfector. God, this foundation is really thick and it dries out so quickly. So you guys know my drill that if it hides my redness on my cheek, it has a full coverage, and if it hides it a little bit, it has a medium coverage, and if it doesn't hide it at all, it has a light coverage. By the look of it, with one swatch, I cannot see my redness, so it does give you a full coverage right away. I don't like about this foundation so far, to be honest, is that it dries out so quickly. So you have to work really fast with it. This is the side with the foundation and this is the side without the foundation. Dulce de Leche matches me very well. and I like how this brush is blending the foundation. I'm really not that impressed with this foundation. I can see the foundation creasing on my nose, sitting on my skin on this side here, like they having a party right here on this side. And then a little bit on this side on my nose is looking horrible. This foundation for dry skin, it is a no-no. And it says that this is a luminous matte foundation, but my face looks matte. I don't like how it is sitting on my skin. I'm gonna continue on finishing with this makeup, but the foundation, I'm not impressed with this foundation. I'm gonna move on with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer because I didn't grab no concealer from Huda Beauty, so I'm gonna use this one. Gonna take the shade Butterscotch first. And then I'm gonna apply the shade Sand on top of it. Okay guys, so I am back. It's time to blend this concealer up. I think it's already been dry. So I'm gonna blend it with the flat blush. The flat brush from Huda Beauty. That is the Buff and Blend. I did mess up. So I blended the concealer very nice. This brush, I'm really impressed with these Huda Beauty brushes. I'm gonna apply my contour. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty famous holy grail of YouTube that people love it. It's a Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream. I got the shade medium. I wanted it the shade light, but light was out of stock already. I was thinking on getting the shade tan, but it looks like tan, it was gonna be way too dark for me, so I got the shade medium. So this is the Bake and Blend. I don't know if this is the brush that they use. I think this one was the brush that they used to contour with, and this is the Scope and Shape. I like that it is really flat, so it will be really nice to travel with. So I'm gonna take the shape side. I think this is the shape and this is the scope, or I don't know. But I'm gonna take this shot, this side, and just gonna blend it. I'm gonna go with the blush now. The contour is nice. I like it. So far, I like the contour. Like, it's looking nice.
First thing in the morning, I'm the way I cry, bitch, on the fast. I'm the way I bitch, on way to the fast.
Work that body, 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 work that body.